Bye. The house is echoing.
We'll be chilling and it's Christmas. Good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter.
Merry Christmas from the Williams family to yours.
Hey guys, so it's the night before my surgery and I am a little bit stressed. Stressed. Oh. And by the way, stressed and our place is empty. Oh my goodness. It's empty. Yeah. And everything, furniture, everything is gone. So this is how we'll be living for the next little while. And by the way, welcome to Vlogmas. Vlogmas has started. Oh my gosh. Vlogmas has started, guys. It's just crazy. So Vlogmas has started. It is crazy, but come along with, well, the new journey with us. So, but I am nervous.
No.
I know surgery is not. Let's see. This is gonna be the second time I've ever been put under for surgery. It's nerve-wracking with anybody. It's not something that, you know, people never like to do, but
I was a boss. I'm kidding. I'm nervous like shit.
okay. So, all right. So here's my bed. Here's my bed for the little while, guys. Oh Lord, I'm bringing you into my boudoir, and this is real life. This is real life. Like literally, our room is empty. This is real life, guys. This is real life. Oh my gosh. So, yeah, there is literally nothing in here.
Oh my god.
Like, oh my gosh, it's empty. Bye. The house is echoing. And I'm just like so nervous. The guys them are gone to work, so it's just us. I just had the last bit of water for the night. My surgery is tomorrow morning, so it's early surgery. I have to be there 2 hours prior. Had to shower, you know, do the special wash, stuff like that. No deodorant, no perfume, no lotion, no any of that. No, nothing, no jewelry, all of that. I gotta remember to take this off before I go. It's just nerve-wracking. I know. But I would like surgery. Nobody, I don't think anybody at all likes surgery. Amaya, are you gonna go to your bed? You're gonna go to your bed? Got to pray and go in with faith that everything will be okay. And yeah, that's all I gotta do. Just go in with faith and just pray and hope everything turns out the way you want it to. And that's it. But guys, it's now almost it's just after 11, so I'm going to go to my bed. I will take you guys along the journey, and we will see you guys in the morning. You're gonna say good night, Pop? He's eating banana. You say good night. So I'll see you guys in the morning. It's gonna be an early morning. Early morning, because we have to be there 2 hours prior to, you know, go in, do the prep, all that stuff, and get ready. So, and Mario's working tonight, so he's gonna have to come off work early just to make sure that I am on time for my surgery and stuff like that. And I gotta get up early in the morning and actually shower, so I'm gonna have to set an alarm, get up, and then I gotta shower again. And you know, with the stuff that they told me to get to shower and stuff like that, and just make sure that my body is just clean and prep and ready. But I will see you guys in the morning. So have yourself a good night. I wasn't sure if I was going to start the vlog earlier today or later. You know, it's just kind of been a quiet day because I was editing and just doing some other stuff and trying to get some stuff done, because I know during my surgery I won't be able to do anything, or after I'll be on bed rest. So I was just trying to get what I need to get done, but at least I was able to do that. So we'll catch you guys in the morning. Bye guys. I've reached and I'm about to get changed for my surgery now. Crazy. So here we go. Alright guys, so I'm all dressed. Got my booties on. Going in for my surgery now. I'm gonna put on the thing on my head. I will see you guys after my surgery. Yeah, Mario's waiting in the waiting room. Oh, hey guys, today's day, officially day 1 of my post-op. Yeah, okay, so yesterday I had my surgery, so today will be 2-day post-operation. I am just sitting here with some soup. The guys went to get me some soup before they left for work. So, yeah, same place. I just finished like taking a shower. They said not to shower for 48 hours afterwards, but I had to shower, guys. I just made sure I covered where my incision and stuff were and just wash off. I just needed to feel clean, so I ended up doing that. My mouth is still hurting. Some part of my gums is still swollen, the mouth too, from when they took the breathing tube out. I don't know what happened, but kind of feeling the pains a bit. So, but I'm here recovering, and the recovering process kind of okay. I'm not complaining. Mario got up and made me soup today. Well, not soup, he made me some porridge, because I'm kind of on a little bit of a liquid diet, just no heavy food for a bit. So can't have no heavy food for a little bit. So I just have some. They went and got me some, I guess we call it manish water. That's what we call it. So soup without all that, the food and stuff. So that's what I'm here having. Guys, our Vlogmas is probably gonna maybe do 12 days of Vlogmas. We will see. Still debating on that. Right now my lip is hurting. Can't talk as much because I find that I kind of run out of breath. Like I get short, start breathing short. My throat still hurts, as you can hear my voice. But I just kind of wanted to keep you guys posted on what's going on. Like, this is real life. Some days you're up and other days you're down. But through all the pain, you still smile and give God thanks. You're alive. You've made it out of surgery. You know, no crazy complications, thank God, and thank God I did not have to have a blood transfusion because my hemoglobin was so low, guys. It was really bad that they were worried about me bleeding out. But thank God that never happened. Obviously, the surgery was a success, and you know, I am home. And these surgeries, they usually keep you for 24 hours overnight, but a lot of these surgeries, they just change to day surgeries now. So you basically, you're in and out from, you're able to use the bathroom or have a bowel movement or something. They make you go. That's pretty much what they're doing now. So yeah, it's kind of like you're in and out and you go home to recover. There's no recovering at the hospital like there used to be, unless it's something like, unless they had an emergency, like if something would have happened, and then they would keep you, like if you started hemorrhaging, then they'll keep you for a day, watch you. Once you're okay, they release you in 24 hours. So yeah, I'm just here, and Romario, oh Lord, he just wants to jump all over me, and it's it's been quite a journey. But I just wanted to check in. If anything, I'll probably maybe check in another day. I just kind of been just taking my medication just to subside the pain. I've been in and out, just kind of drowsy with medication and everything. But still here. I got my water. I'm on the floor. Yeah, this is this is our bed for now. For the next few, yeah, this is pretty much our place for the next, for our bed for the next week. And that's pretty much it. So, and I have to be taking these. Let me show you guys. I put them in my water. But the gas pain, I'm starting to get gas pain. So this is what I have to be taking. And I'm mixing them in the water and taking it. So, and I just even had a shower. I had to sit on a bench inside the bathroom and get a shower done. But I'm most grateful for my family and just everyone around me that's helping. Hopefully, I'll be a lot better by day 5. I'm hoping, because we have things to do and places to be and things to get done. So, but even for now, I said I cannot lift anything past 5 pounds. So yeah, it's gonna be hard because Romario wants me to pick him up all the time and I can't even lift him up, and it's gonna be for about 8 weeks. Yeah, about 8 weeks. They said I cannot lift anything heavy past 5 pounds, just because of the type of surgery that I have. I have to be very careful, and I have to watch for internal bleeding and stuff like that, any form of hemorrhaging. So I just need to take it easy. But you know, thank God, days like these when you're able to work from home and not having to work a 9 to 5, because to take the time off and just being able to focus on you and not, you know, stress about work and all that stuff and things that you have to get done. So I'm just here having some soup and just keeping you guys posted. But I will talk to you guys in a bit. I'm gonna try and edit this video that I have for you guys so I could get it up, and yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. I'll see you shortly. Come back to another video. Let me try to sit up a little bit. Oh gosh. Oh. So this is 3-day post-op surgery. So it's been 3 days since I have my surgery. Look at this. This place is empty. Romero's making a mess. And I gotta get rid of all the rest of the stuff that's out of here. Oh, Marcel, everything. So everything, as you see, yep, I am out in the living room on a piece of bed foam currently, but this is just our last bit of memories actually here. You know, surgery day is over for me, over for Faith. You know, everything has been good so far. I'm taking it easy, just been having a lot of gas pain. Mario went and got me some soup this morning. So I had some soup. And my stomach can't really take too much food, so I just kind of been drinking soup and porridge and just been eating really light. As the doctor said not to go crazy. I don't have to. But I am here. This one's here giving me talking. Huh?
I'm asking if you think he's cute.
I said, yes, Faith, I think I'm cute.
Nana, why did you kick the mat? Oh my god.
I know, he pulled up the mat. So, yeah, Mario just went out to go do some around, but you know what? We're starting a new chapter, and we gotta get everything fully cleared up out of this place. As much as I just had surgery, you know, work don't stop because you're not feeling well. The bills them still gotta get paid even when you're not feeling well. You know, the world doesn't stop because you're not feeling well either. So I'm just going to get some stuff done. I am feeling much better than I was a couple of days ago. Since full surgery, still in a lot of pain, but not as much. The pain's much better, and I'm just trying to take it one day at a time. Oh, you saved up? Oh, you look handsome.
No, you don't.
I hope you said that about your brother, Faith.
The truth hurts, doesn't it?
So that's what I'm currently here doing. But I need to go outside.
No,
Mario doesn't want me going anywhere
You see
until we leave tomorrow. But I need to go outside, and I wanted to go get some stuff done because you want to leave cookies? You want one? Say hi, guys. Are you gonna say hi, guys? You need a new
325, but a 250 gone on.
a new headset, because what they did, they probably raised the price.
I got that one.
Ooh. Yeah, that one.
Remember I got that one free of Phoenix, so I'm surprised I roll out so long. I stopped with a malfunction on.
Yeah. But yeah, we just gotta throw out the rest of the stuff that's here, get rid of everything else, and that's it. And then we are out of here. But it's been a journey, and thank you guys for treading this journey with us. Yeah, that's all that I literally have to say. You know, we're grateful for the space. At the time, we weren't supposed to be here as long as we stayed, but that's okay. Everything works out in the right time as it should, so can't complain. And they always say home is where the heart is, you know. So
No, see, this is a lead. No, that's a lead.
what is that, a new monitor that you need?
No,
Did it have a coupon?
no, mine's way better than this.
Oh,
Mine have twice the quality and capability.
and I want to go to Walmart. So those are the 3 places that I need to go. But let's see, the heart is willing, but the body doesn't seem like it wants to really. I don't have the strength to do all of that. And it's hard when you need to do something yourself. It's hard to send somebody out, as much as, yeah, you have technology where you can video time and video time, FaceTime, whatever, and you can see what the person is looking at, but it's not there unless you're like physically there seeing it yourself. It doesn't, for me, it makes a difference. I like to actually be present. So it's hard to send somebody out to go do errands that I need to get done, because I know exactly what I am looking for and what I need. But say hi, guys. So I might have to send Papa, did you poo?
Again?
Did you nana? Nana, Nana. Ew, come off the camera about you, Nana. Go change your bum. Go get your diaper. Go. Ew. Yeah, go get your diaper. Go get the wipes. Did the wipes over there? On the floor. No, down there. So,
Everything but what you have in your pocket.
but anyways, we're gonna see if I do get up and out running around, then I'll take you guys with me. Guys, so I am just here dressed, in a bit of pain, but I need to get walking around. Ow. Oh, that hurts. Just because close. Just so I can move around the blood circulation in my feet. So like I said, I'm gonna go outside. Before a bit, Mario said it's snowing out, but I need to get outside. So I'm gonna end up doing that. I just put on something quickly. No makeup, no nothing. Just literally brush my hair and I put on this thing. I'm gonna go put on my coat now. I feel cold. It feels cold. And the temperature is dropping more and more. So, Pop, come here. Are you tired? Come here. You're gonna have to get you some diapers. Come here. There's this one keeping talking. Mario. Mario. So I guess I will see you guys outside. I don't know how much walking I'm going to do, but I don't want to over exhaust myself. I'm just going to go out for a little bit, and that's pretty much it. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So I will see you guys outside, and yeah, hopefully I find what I am looking for. I'm just gonna make a quick list of what I need to get. Hopefully I'll be able to get the stuff. That's it. Oh, is it the gaming chair here? I know. Oh, this looks comfy. Look on this. Go on this one. I want to sit on this one. Yeah. Oh, this is nice. Oh, look at this. This kind of look like your thing, Memphis. No, this is relaxing, man. Oh, but you can't imagine how much for the chair. We need a nice workspace. Memphis, what about this one? Is it the monitor? Oh, Dada, you see it?
Jingle bells ringing in.
Yeah, this one of them I may get.
One clear one?
Now I may get the blue clear one.
In my ear, jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We spent.
I'm outside, guys. Maybe this wasn't such a good idea to come out, and I kind of feel dizzy. But I'm gonna just go here, do this with Mario, and then I'm gonna get back in the car because I don't feel good at all. Thought I would be up to it to feel better, but obviously not. Look at that one, babe. So the color changes. That's like the something there. Well, that's like for like extreme gamers though. So feeling lightheaded. I need to go lay that down. Pop up. Hi. Give mommy a kiss. Mommy, okay? Yeah. Thank you. Oh, you're such a sweet boy. So we are off, and this is our final goodbye. We are off to a new beginning. So, let me just show you guys where we were for the last few years of our life. They always say they only see the glory, they don't know our story. But as you guys have been in our life, we've shown you glimpses of our life. And yeah, so this is just a final chapter of our life, and we're moving on to the next chapter. So come along with us for the journey. Let me show you where we've been living for the last few years of our life. So as you see, this is literally our whole place. They only see the glory, they don't know the story. Right, this has been our home. Yeah, so this is it. This is where we lived for the last couple of years, last few years. And we are off to a new chapter.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure